Alright, it's Jason from Close Range Tactics. Here is one of our first flesh tests, and we are looking at the Shivworks Clinch Pick. This is available on Amazon from the Shivworks Products Group. It's also known as the China Pick. It is made in China, mass-produced. However, it is an excellent self-defense blade. The blade itself, as you saw, is in the pikal orientation. So that means that when I hold it with the tip pointing down, the blade is oriented back towards me. And it's able to generate these big, long cuts once you puncture the meat with the tip of the blade. So it's very powerful rowing motion. The pikal motion, pikal meaning to rip, it's one of the most powerful motions you can get when you use a knife on a chunk of meat or in a defensive purpose here. So most of the tactics that we focus on are point primary. So that means we're just looking at, our first goal is to get the point into the meat or into the adversary, and then the blade is usually a secondary. And if we carry it or use it as a pikal style, when we pull that knife back towards us, we'll get a big cut that will cause a lot of damage there. But the blade is actually just secondary in our particular philosophy here. The clinch pick could also be used as a punch dagger. This was suggested by one of the Shivworks instructors, Chris Fry of MDTS training. He's based out of New York, and he runs some classes. I suggest you get to those classes. This is a picnic roast. There is a large bone in there, and so sometimes I do hit bone with this blade, but nothing happened to the tip of the blade. You can see this is a factory edge. It's very sharp. I have not sharpened it at all. So I hope you liked this flesh test. Remember to like the video, subscribe to Close Range Tactics, and let me know what you think about the clinch pick.